is Layla5015X. And I'm going to show you the Five Nights at Freddy's pictures. This is Golden Freddy. This is Toy Chica. This is Toy Freddy. I got a little bit of mistake here, right here. Next is Blue from Rio. This is Mario's Mushroom. This is Plankton. Here's Pikachu. We got I. Got Jewel. We got a bunny, Bonnie, shark, and a little dragon. We got Freddy, Foxy. We got Mangle, and we got Foxy. Please leave a like or subscribe. Goodbye! Drinks?